For question 2, we're looking at the StepTracker class. A StepTracker object is created with a parameter that defines the minimum number of steps that must be taken for a day to be considered active. The StepTracker class provides a constructor in the following methods: add daily steps, which accumulates information about steps, ingredients taken once per day, active days, which returns the number of active days, average steps, which returns the average number of steps per day, calculated by dividing the total number of steps taken by the number of days tracked. For the code for 2, you're writing the StepTracker class. You have all these members: private int min active steps, the minimum number of steps to be active, private int total steps, private int days, private int active days. You'll see why you need all those as we go through the methods. You have a constructor, public StepTracker int min. You set the min to the minimum active steps. Public void add daily steps. You take in steps. You increment total steps. If the steps greater than or equal to min active steps, you increment active days, and then no matter what, you increment days. Public double average steps. If there's no days, there's no average steps. So if days equals 0.0, return 0.0. In this last one, the cast to double is needed, otherwise integer division. So you're returning cast to double, total steps divided by days. And then finally, you have an active days getter where you just return active days. I normally make videos covering Python, Java, and JavaScript, so if that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe.